As you guys can probably tell, the unboxings never end on this channel, be it sneakers, smart home stuff, gadgets, or even watches on my dedicated watch vlog. And for today's episode, super excited because I get to unbox my latest online shopping haul from SOLE Academy and SHOPBAck. I'll talk about both of them in a bit, but make sure you stick around because this sneaker is not in my size, which basically means what's inside this box, is going to one of you. Let's go. Brief intro as we unbox this sneaker. SOLE Academy, of course, is one of the best sneaker shops that you guys can shop from. My favorite branch of theirs is the one over at BGC. Before the pandemic, I would actually hang out there a lot and I would bump into a lot of you, all of the Filipino sneakerheads who would go there every now and then. My second favorite branch would be the one over at Trinoma. Now, SHOPBAck is an app which allows you to shop the best way possible because every time you buy something from their partner websites, be it Lazada or SOLE Academy, you get a discount. Well, not really a discount, you get cash back. So you get a certain percentage of what you spent credited back into your account, and you can actually withdraw that later on as cold hard cash and spend it on whatever it is that you want to buy later on. So think of it as stacking savings. You buy something that's on discount, you use a coupon, and make sure you do it all through the SHOPBAck app so that you get cash back again. Now, to use the SHOPBAck app is very simple. All you have to do is to download the app. It's free. Sign up for an account, and then every time you need to shop or you want to shop, access their partner websites through their website. So in a nutshell, that's how SHOPBAck works. And they actually partnered with me together with SOLE Academy to be able to bring this sneaker to one of you. So you guys can probably tell, this is a Yeezy. This is the Yeezy Desert Boot in the salt color. It's in size 9. And if you guys haven't seen this shoe yet, it is kind of chunky. It is a boot and it is a Yeezy. So it is designed, of course, by Kanye West. What do you guys think of this shoe? Looks really funky. Actually gives me the Yeezy 500 vibes, especially for the upper part. You have suede, you have mesh, you have that really striking salt color. It's in the middle of white, blue, and weird. But yeah, if you don't own a Yeezy yet, and if you want this particular shoe, this is your chance to actually own a pair, courtesy again of SHOPBAck and SOLE Academy. Now, the mechanics are very simple, and you guys probably are aware of the drill. Number 1, you have to subscribe to my channel. Number 2, you have to give this video a thumbs up. Number 3, you have to follow SHOPBAck on Instagram. I will link down below to their Instagram account so you guys won't have a problem finding it. And I want you to browse the SOLE Academy website and then just pick a shoe. Whatever shoe it is that's there that you like the most, take a screenshot of that and post it on your IG stories, tag me, tag SHOPBAck, and then use the hashtag SHOPBACKPH. By the way, make sure that you have an account for SHOPBAck because we will check if we draw you and we reach out to you and you don't have a SHOPBAck account, you will not get your prize. So make sure that you download the app now and make an account so you are qualified for the giveaway. SHOPBAck will be drawing the winner on September 14, so watch out for the announcement then. This is the first shoe that I wanted to unbox. I actually have another sneaker that I want to show you, which is like the ultimate chill shoes for the current situation that we're in. We're always in the house. Okay, hold on, I'll get it. This is another shoe from Adidas, and this is called the Adidas Superstar Mule. Diba? You see the details over there. I did get it true to size because I was notified that this ran a size bigger. So usually I'd go size 13 or 12.5. So I decided to go true to size para at least it kind of cancels out. But anyway, so if you guys aren't aware what mules are, they're kind of like slip-on shoes. So it's a closed toe, so it doesn't show your toes, but the back is open. So you can slide in your foot. It's kind of like the hybrid of a slide and a sneaker. And this, and this is what this mule looks like. So you have the familiar superstar build. You have the shell toe over here. You have some sort of like shiny leather upper. We have the 3 stripes along both the lateral and the medial side. But if you take a look at the back, there's this opening. So all you have to do is to just slide in your feet and you can rock your sneakers. So this is like the ultimate tamad shoe for people who don't want to put any effort and putting their shoes on, which is kind of perfect again because of our situation we're in. You don't really get to wear a lot of sneakers these days. I mean, you'll only wear it if you're going out quickly, maybe if you need to do an errand, if ever. So this can be like the perfect shoe that you just leave outside the house or outside your living room. So you just slip it on when you're going out. When you're going in, you leave it outside, walang hassle. You don't have to exert any effort trying to put it on, in, out, pasok sa loob ng bahay. And then when you need to go out, again, you just slip your feet in and then you're good to go. So at least you're still looking fly every time you're going to 7-Eleven, right? But anyway, so this one, if you want to get it, again, just check out the different websites that carry Adidas sneakers, such as, again, Sole Academy. By the way, huwag niyo kalimutan, we're giving away a Yeezy. That doesn't happen often. So make sure that you guys download the SHOPBAck app and follow the mechanics as I just told them to you now. And speaking of SHOPBAck, one last thing, they are going to give away 99,000 pesos in their UGC challenge on September 9. So the details of that particular giveaway can be found down below. So if you're creative, if you're the type that does videos like this, make sure to check them out. Make sure to check that link out so you can see if you can join and if you have a chance of winning. Because if you do, I mean, why not? It's 99,000 pesos. You don't get to see that every day. And that actually wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you guys are good. I hope you're all having a good week. And as usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.